It's almost Christmas. It's Monday. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and then Wednesday is Christmas. I'm going to show you something. We're having fun right now. We're in Mexico on the Caribbean Ocean. We're having a great time, relaxing. I'm obviously doing some work. I want you to buy my book. You don't have to buy it. I'm going to send you a free ebook. In the description below, click on the link. You can get my free ebook, and then I'll show you how to get my real book called My Paradise Lifestyle. I'll show you how to live a life of paradise, which is what I do. I travel the world. I live in paradise every day. Now listen, I'm feeding some chickens here. Watch. They're. I think when I feed them, then the big rooster who cock-a-doodle-doo, he comes out. He tries to have sex with all the other chickens. So here, watch. Ready? Take a video. Yeah, see him? There he goes. There he goes. And then he tries to jump on the other hens, the chickens, and they have sex. And there we go. We're gonna try and get some eggs in a couple days. Look, there's the chicken. There he is. Watch. See all the chickens? There's the big rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's great. Oh, here they all come. Look. Oh, hold on.
Wow.